Hello friends, this is your girl Goldilocks here, and I am here for a mega ultra huge haul video. I went to quite a few different stores for my crafting supplies. I went to Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, and the thrift store. Oh, and also of course Dollar Tree. So let's get started. If you guys like these two packages, I made some previous videos on them. You can check them out in the description. I also have an awesome Mardi Gras gift basket, so if you're interested in that, check the description. Anyway, we're about to get to our wonderful haul here, okay? It's a lot of stuff, so let's go. So let's start off on my right, probably your left here, and what we got. So some of the things we got are, as you can see, these are, what are these called? Like the bath sponges or the loofah. That's it. So we have some loofah, and I'm actually going to do something really cool with that. I'm going to make like a cupcake storage bin type deal, and that's what I'm using for the frosting. So please make sure you stay tuned for that video. It's going to be awesome, but that is what we're using these loofahs for. Okay. And now these are really cool. I got these two mugs. See, as you can see, it was $2.50 for both of them. These are Godiva mugs. I got these at the thrift store, specifically 2nd Avenue, and I'm going to use these to make a really awesome chocolate themed candle, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be super cool. And here's the wax that I'm going to use. I got some brown wax, look like some chocolate, so that's going to be really pretty. These little keychains here I got from Dollar Tree, and again, I'm going to use those with that in combination to make like our cupcake storage. Going to be so cool, and these are going to be the base. Also got these from Dollar Tree. They're what's it called? Like the netting. I can't remember what it's called. Is it? I can't remember. I'll remember later. Okay, but I got these for the base of our cupcake, so that's going to be cool. I'm using these little party tins again from Dollar Tree to be the foundation of said cupcakes, so stay tuned for that. We also got little lights because, you know, a cupcake isn't a cupcake without a candle. Okay, also what we have here is candy dishes. Again, got these from Dollar Tree. They're really freaking cool. And I decided I was going to make some kind of really cool candy dish that's going to look something like that. Ooh, isn't that cool? I actually got two, but I broke this one, so I have to go back to the thrift store. Luckily, they did have another one, so I'll be able to pick it up tomorrow. So we're going to do something like that. As you can see, that's going to be really neat. Again, got these at the thrift store, two for $2.50. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Also, let's keep it pushing. From Michael's, I got these really cool like sticker beads, and I'm gonna do some designer stuff. That's gonna be really cool. If you can guess which designer this is gonna go to, that would be awesome. But that's what we're doing with these. And also I have like some more little birthday bins, and again, those are also going to be for our designer stuff. I got some white paint so that I could paint our boxes here, because I'm going to eventually put fabric and different kinds of materials over those bins just to make them awesome. And let's go. Before we get to that, that's going to be good. That'll be last. Let's keep going. This is from Dollar Tree. Got the paintbrush here because, you know, need to paint. These here are really cool. These are actually for like melting. It's really bakery stuff. It's stuck. But it's like to help you pour, you see? So I'm going to use this for the wax. So this will help me be a little less messy, and hopefully it works out. You can actually put these in the microwave, so that'll make my life very easy. Instead of having to use the hot plates, I can use these in the microwave for our wax. Boom. It's going to be awesome. Okay. Also, I got some yarn here. We're going to make some custom bows here coming up soon. And so I just got these yarns from, again, Dollar Tree because they were super cheap. And we're definitely going to need these to make our bows, okay? This was an awesome find. I actually already filmed an unboxing of these. I found these, again, at the thrift store. I think they were like $4. And they came with like a really cute bow. And all these ladybug candles. Isn't that cool? And they have the big ones. I think the little ones at the bottom. I don't know how we're gonna incorporate that into crafts, but I absolutely love these candles. They are so freaking cool. Okay. Then we got some ribbon. You know I love some ribbon. Now this actually here is tape. Got this from Hobby Lobby. And it's actually tape, like this iridescent tape. I think that was really cool. I have no idea how I'm going to use it, but I will use it. I got this ribbon, again, from Michaels. It has like a mermaid theme. I'm going to do a mermaid gift basket coming soon. So, yeah, that's what that's going to be used for. I got these from Michaels. Surprisingly enough, Michaels is still having a freaking Christmas sale. How? I don't know, but they are. And I got this on sale for the Christmas. It's a blue, like velvet-ish feeling ribbon. I love ribbon, so we're getting a lot of ribbon. Nope, don't go nowhere. And then we also got this from Michaels too. Really sparkly, pretty netted ribbon. And Argyle. We got a cool Argyle ribbon here. This again is going to go into some of our designer designs. So if you can guess which designer that is, that'll be cool. But stay on the lookout for that. On top of that, I was also able to snag this really awesome Argyle. This is houndstooth. Guys, you're supposed to correct me. Houndstooth, not Argyle. I found this really awesome houndstooth wrapping paper. Literally, I went to 2 Michaels. This was the only one. It was like all busted, the plastic at the bottom, which is how I was able to snag it. But it literally only cost me like $2 on sale. So a win is a win, guys. A win is a win. Really happy with that purchase. Super pretty. All right, let's get to the grand finale. It's these cloths here. You're probably wondering, like, what are you doing with those cloths? Well, you'll find out, okay? So first and foremost, this is just a table runner that I got from Hobby Lobby. I just thought it was so pretty. And, you know, I'm ready to get rid of the red here. So this will be like a nice little change for us, you know. Also, I want to use like some fabrics in some of my designs. And you know what's so funny is, like, if you just buy fabric, first of all, you can't really find what you want. And then sometimes fabric can be super, super expensive. So if you need fabric, do not be afraid to go to the thrift store, because you can find exactly what you're looking for the low. Okay, so check me out here. Look at that. Now, if you're a fan of The Office, you're going to be really excited about what's coming with this fabric. I actually just got this at Joann's. I couldn't believe they had it there because I was already planning an office-themed decorating idea. So when I seen this fabric, I thought it was awesome. I just got half a yard. I don't really need a whole bunch of it. But if you could see all the characters here from The Office, awesome. Also, again, we're going to do some designer stuff, or designer inspired themes. So I needed fabric, and obviously it's really hard to find. It's hard to find tweed, which is this here. It's a pink tweed. This is actually a skirt, but I'm using it for the fabric. I got this at the Goodwill, and yeah, it's awesome. And then I got this shirt. I'm pretty sure you can look at it and see where it's going. I got that from another thrift store, 2nd Avenue. So we're going to be using all this stuff in our new craft videos that are coming up very, very, very soon. So I hope you're inspired and excited by our haul here. There are a lot of projects in this one little desk, and I have plenty more after that. So please stay tuned, guys. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and be ready for some more crafts and fun. I'll see you next time.